Welcome back. In this video, I will guide you how to turn off TalkBack in laptop. Make sure TalkBack is the name for the screen reader on Android device. On a laptop, this feature is usually called Narrator or a voiceover. So here is the easiest way to turn it off depending on which laptop you have. So first head to the search icon and type Narrator. Enter.
Pane. Alt plus O.
Click OK.
Power Toys mouse highlight. Narrator heading level 1.
Click
Welcome
on
to
the
Narrator.
settings.
This is Narrator Home, where you can get help. Settings window. Use
And
Narrator. Turn
click
on Narrator.
turn
Toggle
off.
exiting Narrator.
So for the shortest key, you need to press Control, Window key and the Enter key all together.
Power Toys mouse. Narrator
And here
dialog.
you can
OK.
turn off
Button.
Narrator.
Exiting Narrator.
If you want to turn it on, then Control, Alt, Enter.
Search with Narrator dialog. OK.
Click OK.
But Narrator scan.
Click
Narrator
settings.
heading level 1. Welcome to Narrator. This is settings window.
And
Use
again,
Narrator.
you need to turn it on
Exiting
and off.
Narrator.
So that's for all that today. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.